Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Robinhood spending account. First, make sure you have an active Robinhood brokerage account, as this is a prerequisite. Then, open your Robinhood app and locate the spending tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, you will be guided through a few simple steps to confirm your eligibility and review the account terms and conditions. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. After reviewing the terms, you might need to complete some identity verification steps to comply with regulations. This typically involves confirming personal details. Next, you'll link an external bank account, which is essential for transferring funds into and out of your new spending account. Once linked, you can easily initiate your first deposit. Robinhood makes it simple to connect your existing financial institutions, ensuring a smooth setup process for your new account. Once your Robinhood spending account is active, you can start enjoying its various features. One key benefit is earning a competitive interest rate on your uninvested cash, helping your money work harder for you. You'll also receive a Robinhood debit card, allowing easy access to your funds for everyday purchases. Plus, the account comes with no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements, making it a flexible option for managing your finances. Managing your Robinhood spending account is simple through the app, where you can easily monitor all your transactions and current balances. Consider setting up direct deposit for your paychecks to streamline your finances and have funds readily available. This account offers a convenient way to handle your daily spending while potentially earning interest. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check out the link in the description for some great deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.